Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to share this DIY with you. I went ahead and created this frame for the mirror and it is absolutely beautiful. I wish I could tell you it was my idea. However, it is not. I will be linking the information of the person that inspired me down below. I'm gonna go ahead and start with these wooden frames that I bought at Hobby Lobby for $5.99. They had them on sale for 50% off. I went ahead and spray paint them. The paint that I'm using is a metallic type of color, and then after that I went ahead and figured out how I wanted the shape of those frames to be. I tried to cut them with scissors. It didn't work, so my husband went ahead and cut them for me. And then once I had the pieces that I wanted, then I went ahead and put them around the mirror, and then I did some markings like so. And the markings are there so I don't put rhinestones below that area. And practically right in the middle of the frame I went ahead and used was a pin, so I removed the backing of the pin, and I will be hot gluing everything on the actual wooden pieces. So this is what we have so far. After that, I am going to just hot glue this first piece on the backing of the mirror, and that's what I did with the other two pieces. And of course I got carried away, so I went ahead and added more rhinestones, and right in the middle of that design I did have a piece of this it's kind of like a piece from my chandelier, so I went ahead and put it right in the middle of the actual design. I already had my lights in my beauty room, so all I did was to put them around the mirror, and this is the final result. I hope that you like this tutorial, and I hope that you also get inspired. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.